Welcome back to the video, guys. It's your boy Incense Blackie back again with another banger. Today we're gonna be doing a short POV drive. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It was drizzling at first, y'all. It was drizzling. Then we're gonna be doing a short POV drive. Just hitting gas and not hitting gas. You know what I mean? I seen y'all been liking that sliding that return video. Y'all probably gotta do a part 2. Y'all just let me know down in the comments, what y'all want me to do. Y'all want me to do a part 2 to it, then put in the comment, do a part 2 to sliding that return video. Oh yeah. That's what we do. We just gonna be, probably hit the gas, a little something. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all give me some video ideas to do, in the comments. Y'all see y'all been tuning in to the channel. I like that, that motivates me, to keep pushing out content for y'all. Yeah, let me know if y'all, I do a story time. Y'all want me to do a story time, just put in the comments story time. It's gonna be a short little video. Cause I know a lot of people wanna know, how I got a Camaro 18, I say that, I'm gonna say that for a story time, so. Maybe the next video I do, maybe it'll be a story time, who knows. I said I would cut up, but it ain't a cutting up video, so I'ma just keep it plain Jane and simple. I see that sliding return video, it blowing up, y'all. I like it. That was a fun video. It was a fun video created. It was a fun video. Shout out to the cameraman. Like the park's so crazy. The parts on these Camaros is so crazy. And the thing is, it's stock. It ain't even like, I ain't got no mods done to this car, it just stock. Like, I'ma surprise y'all when I get a muffler delete done. That's gonna be the first thing I do to it. It'll be a muffler delete. So y'all stay tuned, who knows when that video might come. Y'all just gotta stay tuned and keep watching, keep liking, and keep subscribing. I'm very appreciated. It'd be fun creating these videos. I got some video ideas in the back of my head. I just got to make the video. Just don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. It ain't gonna be too much going on in this video. It's gonna be like a little short video, basically gathering ideas from y'all guys. Y'all put your ideas in the comments of what y'all want me to do, so I can do it. You know what I mean? I just wish it was sunny out. It's just so cloudy, it's like an iffy day. car sounds so good, I'm telling you. It even sounds even better on the outside. I just can't wait till I do the muffler delete. Like this motherfucking car runs, I'm telling you. Like one day I'm gonna do a cut up video so I can, show y'all guys, what I'm talking about. I know y'all probably be like, oh, you driving slow, this and that. Well, it's not a fast video. Like, I don't know if y'all can hear them burbles, but it sounds so good. Would stump it, but before I started this video, I seen, state patrols, like, they was out. They out, they just hiding, so, they ain't finna catch me slipping. LOL. But basically, yeah. Basically, this video basically gonna be really about just, giving me ideas in the comments, and shout out to my B, y'all. Got run by a phone call, but, y'all, basically what this video is about, it's just like basically a little short POV drive. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. Put it in the comments, and I'm gonna do it. Basically, and that's that. I'm gonna give y'all a short pull. And then in the video. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too serious, say later, like, damn, how you gonna go or what? Crazy. Motherfucker can't drive these days. Motherfucker was dead like in the middle of the road. I'm like, God damn. I'm just like, you gonna go or what? Yeah. Just let y'all guys hear. I don't know if y'all can hear them birds, but they sound so good. Just when to get y'all got this short pull, then I'm in the video off right.